Hello everybody, Bush Boys here tonight. My name's Ethan.
My name's Jonathan.
And this weekend we will be going to the Willem Pretorius Nature Reserve. We will be camping at Oldham, that is right next to this reserve.
It's about 1.5 hour ride, so come with us.
The Sound River flows from the east to the west through the game reserve and ends at the Aldermanskraal Dam. The Willem Pretorius Nature Reserve encircles the Aldermanskraal Dam.
Tortoises have the right of way on the road. There are lots and lots of wildlife, like sable antelope, zebra, ostriches, and springbok. There are even bigger animals, like rhinos, buffaloes, and giraffes, like these we bumped into. Wow, this cameraman needs a steadier hand.
Up the hill, we found the Goya ruins. It was built by the indigenous people during the Iron Age. Here you can see the fences as well as where they slept. All of those kept them and their animals away from danger, such as lions.
After a long day safari, we set up camp at Oldham Resort, that is right next to the nature reserve. We tried out our new tents and air mattresses.
After work time, it was fun time. We went up the super tube next to our campsite and we had a lot of fun splashing in the water. There are a lot of other stuff you can do, such as swimming, putt-putt, tennis, and fishing.
That was a lot of fun.
Yeah, hope to see you the next time.